Hello friends, welcome to Reddit Ventures. We are excited to share our first ever biggest order from our shop. Thank you so much to our wonderful customer for trusting our work. For this piece, the customer selected a pink background. So I prepared the mold yesterday. After curing for about 10 hours, I carefully placed the baby milestone details. Samruddhi Gowda from Kanakapura. And apply a thin layer of resin to secure everything. I then let it rest for 6 to 8 hours. Once it was set, I pouring a resin for long lasting finish. More updates coming soon. Thank you for supporting Reddit Ventures. Place your order, subscribe, and don't forget to share your family and friends.